Right, so this is the second part of the adjustment of the Servo 3 trim control. You can't see it right now, but I'm going to tell you, don't forget to turn the boat off using the main power switch. You won't be using the power from the boat. When you plug your USB cable into your device, tablet or phone, it will power the autopilot. When I plug it in, like so, it brings up the two apps that I have downloaded for this application on my phone. We want to use, in this instance, we want to use Q ground control. So we touch on that, click on just once. Right, and now it will download the parameters. We have to wait.
Manual flight mode.
Right, now it's downloading the parameters, and once that's complete, we can start with the
Return to launch flight mode.
Don't worry about the fact that it said manual or auto or RTL. The boat is not running. So we start by touching on the gears like that. We're going to scroll up, shall I say, on the left till you find parameters. Touch on parameters. In the center, we're going to scroll up until we see servos. There's servo. Click on servo, and then scroll up on the right until you find Servo 3 trim. Servo 1, Servo 2, Servo 3 trim. There we go. All right, so at this moment in time, the value is the value that we put in to correct it. If it were the other way, it would be 1500. So you'd like to see something like that. You'd like to see something like that, and you want to change that to 1475. I'm guessing that we're going to go down in value. So click on it again. You can basically use the backspace, click 1475, click done, then click save. And that's it. So what has been done now, that new value has been loaded. To be able to test if it's sorted the problem out, you're going to disconnect your USB cable, and then you're going to reboot the boat using the power switch. You can't leave it plugged in like this and then power up the boat. So that's the end of this video. You're simply going to unplug it, then boot the boat up, go through the normal startup procedure, arm the boat in AP mode, and confirm the beeping has stopped. If you find that it is still beeping, you can move to manual mode, then back to AP mode, and listen to the pitch of the motor RPM wise and see if it's actually gone up or down. If you found that it's now revving faster, well, then we've gone in the wrong direction. Then you would go 15 plus, so 15, 25 or something like that. But if you see that it's gone down, well, you could have gone right through the bottom of the curve, and it might have stopped and gone up again. So change the value just by 20 or 15, but you play around with that value. Keep saving it, and then keep rebooting and confirm that it does eventually get to a point where it's in neutral and the motor doesn't run in AP mode.